Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to share a tweet directly to your Instagram story. So here we are on the Twitter mobile app. This is on my profile. I'm just going to create a tweet for us to share real quick. We'll include a photo in this one, just so you can see an example that contains a photo. So there's our tweet right there. Let's go ahead and tap on this. So now we're on the detail view of a specific tweet. What we want to do is tap this share button towards the bottom right corner. That's going to open up a panel with some options. And then we just want to tap on Instagram stories. So this is going to automatically open up this tweet in your Instagram story. So here's what it'll look like. You can reposition this as you wish. Of course, you can add text or draw on this or whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to go ahead and share this to my story. You can do that by tapping the button in the bottom left corner. You could also tap the arrow in the bottom right and send that to specific people. But I'm just going to share this to my story. So there we go. It's been shared to my story. So let's tap on my story. There it is. Unfortunately, you can't tap on this and go to the specific tweet or anything like that. Maybe they'll allow for that in the future, but this is a good way to just share a tweet directly from Twitter. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.